Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flood warning for Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, until 7:30 a.m. Sunday. At 7:27 p.m., local law enforcement reported that a number of roads remained flooded and closed due to heavy rain last night and this morning. Radar estimates and reports indicated some locations received up to 9 inches of rain fell across the region. Rainfall amounts of 3 to 6 inches were common across the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Belleville, O'Fallon, East St. Louis, Collinsville, Fairview Heights, Cahokia, Swansea, Shiloh, Waterloo, Columbia, Muscuda, Centerville, Lebanon, Freeburg, Caseyville, Washington Park, Dupo, Millstead, Madison, and Redbud. This includes Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 9 and 27. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. The current time is 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is NOAA, Weather Radio KDO 89 St. Louis, Missouri, broadcasting on 162.550 megahertz.